Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we wanted to understand the 5 reasons why you should be advertising on X or Twitter.com. So there are major 5 reasons. The first is wherein on this platform specifically, you will be paying for the performance. So what we mean by that is when you run a campaign which is for focusing on sales or leads specifically, then you only are liable to pay to X.com when you generate those sales. You pay for each of the sales or leads which you have generated. We are not paying here for impressions or views or clicks. So that's a big advantage compared to other platforms which we have got. So that's a very good benefit which users get, which is a pay for performance models which works on Twitter.com. The second benefit is keyword targeting, wherein you can also do keyword targeting here if you compare this with Facebook or Meta ads where keyword targeting is not allowed. So how this works here is you can search for specific keywords, and if anybody on Twitter audience, on X audience have done tweets about it, those can be targeted directly. So for example, let's say you are in a business of digital marketing agency and you want to target people who are interested in paid advertising, so, PPC, and then you can search for, let's say, PPC chat, which is a very specific keyword. So this will target only those people who are interested in PPC chat or have done tweets in the past about it. And now we are able to target them and show our ads to them. So that is how keyword targeting which works on X.com, which is not available on other social media platforms. Another benefit which you get over here is going to be custom audiences. So just like Facebook, Twitter also, X also allows you to make their own custom audiences of various kinds, which can be, the first is lists, which is basically we can upload the list of our customers, which is the customer data, people who come to our website and who have opened their accounts with us. So we will have their details, so we can upload those details and we can target them on the X platform. Second is website activity, which is where people visit our website and do various activities. So now we have their data also collected here, which can be utilized as a custom audience, and then we can target them with our X ads. Same way, app activities, people who are doing activities on the app, okay, app activity combinations can be created over here. So these are the 4 major types of custom audiences which you can create on the X ads platform and then target your relevant audience. Other than this, what you also get is another reason for advertising with X ads is their follower lookalike feature. So this is a feature wherein, so what you can do is you can, let's say it is very similar like similar audiences which we are targeting on other platforms. So follower lookalike works in the manner that, let's say you are in a business of selling football gears or football apparels and other stuff. So what you can do is you can search for specific celebrities in this particular segment, let's say Ronaldo, and now you can target Ronaldo followers, okay, followers specifically, and also these are going to be audiences who are similar to Ronaldo followers. So now, as you can see over there are 170 million followers of Ronaldo. Okay, so we will be able to target users who are similar to these 170 million people. So that is how follower lookalike will work. And this is a great feature which is very unique to X.com, which can be utilized when you're advertising on this platform. And then the last one is going to be ad engagement, another feature wherein what has been seen over a period of time that uh, on Twitter specifically, more than 26% viewing ads on Twitter than on other leading platforms. People tend to spend 26% more time on Twitter than other platforms. Twitter has been the #1 platform for discovering new things. People tend to come to Twitter first to discover, to check out new things they have heard about. Also, 53% of people on Twitter are more likely to be the first to buy a new product, obviously, which makes sense. So that's why if you see overall the engagement with Twitter platform and Twitter ads is much higher compared to other social media platforms. I hope this makes sense. These are the 5 major reasons why we should be considering advertising with Twitter ads. Thank you so much, guys, for listening to this, and I will see you in the next video.